everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I am getting started on my very first cool season direct seeded container combinations. Now, I just transplanted the contents of these containers into the foodscape to fill in some open gaps in preparation of the fall open garden, Saturday, September 24th from noon to 4 p.m. So now I want to show you how easy it is to just use these containers for a whole new season ahead. Basically, I'm just gonna fill these up with my favorite compost, Soil Cube. You can see it's literal black magic. And then I have a cool assortment of veggies that will go through the entire fall, winter, and early spring season. So stay tuned to watch exactly how I do this. So now that I have these pots filled with Soil Cube, what do I want to plant in them? Well, I have got a few interesting things. I'm going to try some more faba beans. I think I'm a little late, but I'm wanting to just test to see what the ideal time for fall sowing is. I did this a month ago, and all those plants are growing really well. I also have Rainbow Loveliness Dianthus, and I think this will be a really cool plant to seed now, and it will likely bloom probably in April or May. I'm just going to do a light sowing of that as a top dress. And then I have got two different varieties of kale. I've got Dinosaur Kale and Vate's Dwarf Blue Curled Scotch Kale. I'm going to do a little mix of these just as a sort of cover in here, so it'll be super easy to be able to harvest, because really kale planted now, I'm going to be able to harvest it all the way until next April. All right, direct seeding could not be easier. Literally just going to take the larger seeds and thumb them in. You can see the faba beans are relatively big. I'm going to do 4, just kind of on diagonals from one another. And then over top of that, I am just going to scatter this dianthus seed. Now, I'll just cover those up. Get it put back in place. Same thing goes for these two different cabbages. I'm literally just gonna open them up and lightly scatter them at the same time. That way I get kind of a natural mix. And that is it. I can't wait to give you all updates, show you all this stuff as it germinates. My prediction, under 2 weeks. So I bet before October 1st, I will have seedlings germinating in both of these pots. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to direct sow some cool season vegetables for yourself so that you can maximize your containers and your garden through the upcoming seasonal change. And please give this video a like, be sure to subscribe, and as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.